Hello everyone. Today's topic is email writing. So, an email stands for an electronic mail. Email writing involves composing, sending, storing, and receiving messages over an electronic communication system. Email writing is preferred over other forms of communication as it is cheaper and faster. So, we have the format for this email writing. While writing on the notebook, we have to follow the rule and regulation for the format. First of all, we have to draw this box and then we will write over there the date. From means the sender's address, to receiver's address, and the subject means about what we are writing this letter, this mail. Salutation, if the email is formal in tone, means it is a formal one, then we use respected sir or ma'am. If it is informal, then we use hi, hello, dear, etc. Then we have the body content and it should not be more than 120 words. Then we have the subscription and sign. Name, description and company name if formal email. Means if we are writing the formal email, then there will be the name, description and company name will be there. Otherwise, if it is not a formal one, then we only use subscription and sign of the particular person. Here we have the example. You have recently come to know of a sudden death of your friend's mother. Write an email to be sent to him expressing your condolence. Condolence means your sympathy. So here we have the answer. So as we have already discussed, there will be the date. From means the sender's address, and as it is the email writing electronic mail, so the address will also be the electronically means email address will be. Then we have to means the receiver's address. Subject condolence. Condolence means sympathy. My dear Ankit, as it is a informal, so that's why we are using my dear here. How shocking it was for me when I read the sad news of sudden demise of dear auntie. Oh Lord, I cannot believe even today that she has left us all bereaved to go to her heavenly abode. Means he is very shocked to know about the sudden demise, means sudden death of his friend's dear mother. Oh Lord, I cannot believe even today that she has left us all bereaved. Means all bereaved means who has lost someone because of death, and to go to her heavenly abode. Abode means house, residence. Means he is not believing that the mother, the friend's mother, has left them and bereaved means has left them, leaving them behind to the heavenly abode, means heavenly home. It was only last month when I met her. She looked quite hale and hearty then. Means very hale and hearty means healthy, wealthy. Who knew that she would leave the world so early? Dear Ankit, dear auntie was a pious soul. Pious means religious. Her demise is a personal loss to me. Her death. Demise means death. Her death is a personal loss to me. Means I am also feeling very bad after losing her. I can very well understand how miserable and pathetic condition would be yours. Means we can understand the position, the condition, the situation of the person who is facing this situation. Accept my sympathy and condolence. Strange are the ways of God. We are merely puppets. Puppets means पपेट क्या होता है, जो हम कहते हैं कि कठपुतली, है ना. सो वी हैव टू बो बिफोर हिज विल. हिज मीन्स एच इज कैपिटल मीन्स दिस इज रेफर टू गॉड. सो वी हैव टू बो मीन्स झुकना. तो हमें उनकी विल के आगे झुकना ही पड़ेगा. आई प्रे टू Almighty मीन्स गॉड, to give you strength to bear this irreparable loss. मीन्स ऐसा लॉस जो हम रिपेयर नहीं कर सकते, इसको बियर करने की स्ट्रेंथ आपको वो गॉड दे. I'll come to see you soon after the exams. Let us pray to God to grant peace to the departed soul. Yours truly, this is the subscription and the name of the particular person who is writing this letter. That's all about the email writing. So here is the example for that, but you will not get more examples for this. It will come from your reader book, My English Reader. Okay, so anything it could be come from the book. You have to follow this format accordingly. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.